In the current global context, the demand for chicken meat is continuously growing to meet the consumption desires of the population. To satisfy this demand, many farmers have decided to expand their commercial poultry farming operations. This activity is economically effective and also generates numerous job opportunities in the agricultural sector. To gain a better understanding of the processes involved in a modern slaughterhouse, join us today at NatureFarm as we explore the daily activities at facilities that process and slaughter millions of chickens. I hope you will take a moment to like the video and subscribe to our channel to support us. And now let's move on to the detailed content. Currently, about 70% of the total global chicken population is raised for meat production, with a short lifespan cycle of only 5 to 7 weeks. Modern broiler chickens are generally twice the size compared to breeds from the medieval period, thanks to breeding methods aimed at rapid weight gain. Since the latter half of the 20th century, the number of chickens raised has skyrocketed due to the implementation of modern farming practices, enhancing productivity and product quality. In terms of infrastructure, chicken coops must be solidly constructed to meet veterinary hygiene standards and protect the flock from harsh weather conditions. Additionally, farmers need to choose locations for their farms away from residential areas and water sources to avoid environmental pollution from chicken manure. This not only improves the surrounding living conditions but also minimizes the risk of disease spread in case of an outbreak, ensuring biosecurity and managing large-scale chicken populations. In modern livestock and agriculture, farm owners can optimize production activities by designing specialized areas including storage zones, barns, food processing areas, and livestock handling areas. This design aims to ensure the most favorable conditions for the sustainable development of the farm. During the incubation process, millions of eggs are cared for under optimally controlled temperature and humidity conditions, meeting international standards for export. After hatching, chicks are raised in enclosures with continuous lighting to maximize feeding time. The recommended stocking density is 20 to 25 chicks per square meter for chickens aged 2 to 4 weeks, decreasing to 10 chicks per square meter for chickens aged 1 to 2 months. Moreover, during cold days, young chicken breeds require an efficient heating system to protect them from harsh weather conditions. Chickens aged 5 to 7 weeks are ready for the slaughtering process. The use of specialized systems and technologies such as automated sorting lines is essential to maintain quality and production efficiency, meeting the high demands of the international market. In the modern poultry farming industry, slaughterhouses have adopted advanced technology to process large quantities of poultry daily. Poultry farms, when the livestock reaches the necessary commercial standards, transport large numbers to slaughter facilities. Every hour, thousands of chickens can be processed through automatic or semi-automatic slaughtering systems, making the production process fast and minimizing the risk of contamination. The slaughter process involves several technically advanced steps such as hanging the chickens, anesthetizing them using electricity, or employing a controlled atmosphere stunning cast system with CO2 to render the birds unconscious. This not only helps to reduce the pain experienced by the poultry, but also ensures compliance with international food safety regulations. Following this, the chickens are bled by cutting their necks, then chilled, plucked, and cleaned in preparation for meat processing. Ozone treatment and chill processes are carried out to ensure the quality of the final product. The chickens are then weighed, sorted by part, and packaged according to international consumer market demands. Thanks to the application of automation and semi-automation in various stages of the production line, this process not only boosts productivity but also enhances the quality of the final product. By integrating high standards of food hygiene and modern technology, modern poultry slaughterhouses have established a closed and efficient cycle, contributing to safety, sustainability, and competitiveness in the international market. In the United States livestock and agriculture sector, the rearing and processing of millions of cattle each year takes place on a foundation of abundant natural resources. This includes expansive grazing lands and fertile agricultural soils that facilitate the production of primary feed for cattle. American beef is characterized by its high thickness, consistent quality, and lack of excess fat, along with a high nutritional content and a rich array of amino acids, thanks to strict farming and inspection processes. The quality of this beef results from a rigorous production process and a strong commitment to consumer satisfaction. In the United States, there are over 700,000 long-standing farm owners, with Texas, Nebraska, and Oklahoma having the largest number of cattle farm owners in the country. The most popular cattle breeds include Longhorn, Angus, and others such as Hereford and Charolais, commonly found on the grasslands of Texas. The U.S. cattle farming industry adheres to international standards, with the sole objective of producing beef with a unique fat texture, a light color, and a delicious flavor. The cattle farming process in the United States encompasses various stages, beginning with the initial care and nurturing phase lasting about 15 months. This is followed by a specialized fattening stage in outdoor covered areas, where cattle are fed high-quality feeds such as corn and wheat. When the cattle reach market weight, typically between 500 to 650 kg and age between 18 to 22 months, they are transferred to processing facilities for harvesting. This process ensures that American beef not only tastes delicious but also meets the high nutritional demands of consumers. Inspectors from the United States Department of Agriculture (USDA) are tasked with being present at all federally regulated meat processing facilities to monitor compliance with regulations regarding the safety and quality of animal products. From the time livestock enter the slaughterhouse to when beef processing and packaging are completed, every step is closely monitored. American beef is known not only for its high nutritional value but also for its distinctive color and flavor, cherished for its aroma and uniqueness. Genetic studies have shown that modern American cattle breeds are capable of producing higher lean meat yields compared to breeds from previous centuries. During the preparation for slaughter, cattle are fed and rested comfortably. Any cattle showing signs of illness are isolated and thoroughly examined within 24 hours before being introduced into the production line, ensuring they meet all necessary health standards for consumption. The meat portions of the cattle are processed using modern machinery, with excess fat and unused portions handled separately. The packaging process takes place in a cold environment, below 10 degrees, ensuring all surfaces and equipment in contact with the meat are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. After processing, the beef is automatically packaged and shipped daily, ensuring it reaches consumers in the best condition. Each step of the production process is rigorously inspected to ensure product safety and quality. In the livestock and food preservation industry, the processing and freezing of beef in the United States are carried out using advanced freezing methods, utilizing modern insulated freezers without the need for preservatives. As a result, despite being transported across multiple countries and over long periods, the flavor and nutritional value of beef are preserved, on par with other meat products. Raw white is also processed through specialized procedures to ensure durability and minimize decomposition. In the salting room, raw white is immersed in a saline solution to promote bacterial growth and control odor, then soaked in water for 6 hours before undergoing drying, flattening, and shaping into final products with high durability and versatile applications. Additionally, cow's milk is an indispensable part of the American livestock industry. According to statistics from 2020, up to 92% of households in the United States consume cow's milk as part of their daily diet. Dairy farms in the United States have implemented various advanced farming techniques, focusing on nutritional regimes and carefully observing the habits of cows to optimize milk production and quality. The happiness and health of the cattle are crucial factors in enhancing milk production. Visitors to a dairy farm in the United States can directly witness the farming and milk production process. The United States also leads in the development of beef distribution and processing systems, with a quality management system maintained at the highest level. American beef not only ensures quality but also stands as a symbol of reliability in the global food industry. Today's video ends here. How do you feel about the remarkable development of the poultry and beef processing industry in various countries? Please comment below to let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Nature Farm channel for more interesting videos. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.